quickly take a look at that. Now we are learning from a top government source that the Indian contingent is still examining if there can be an appeal for Vinesh Fogart. There seems to be some sort of a silver lining. If at all can be an appeal in this, that is what we are learning. The Indian contingent is looking at doing at the moment. Arunima, my colleague who's brought us that exclusive piece of information, is with us on the broadcast. In fact, we'll just connect with Arunima in a bit. Now remember, after the weight this morning, Vinesh Fogart was learned to be 100 grams above the permissible limit in the 50 kilogram category that she has been competing in. And that in fact rendered her entire bout as illegal. She was disqualified from Paris Olympics, and that rule was something that was explained through that Indian Olympic Association circular, that statement that was released by them. They said that it is an unfortunate, devastating piece of news and nothing really can be done about it because the rules say so. Now, a top government source is suggesting that the Indian contingent can still look at possible outcomes and still examine if at all there can be an appeal against this decision of Vinesh Fogart's disqualification. My colleague Arunima is back with us on the broadcast. Arunima, if at all this can happen, this is a great silver lining.
There's an absolute heartbreak in India at the moment, and you can see the echoes of it in Lok Sabha also, where members of parliament from the opposition ranks are asking of the government as to what is it that can be done, why have things come to such a situation, and we are told by government functionaries that they are still on the matter, they're still examining the rules, they're still examining if there can be any other process of appeal. Two things are being considered here. One, whether the match that Fogart played yesterday, whereby she qualified for the finals. So if her semi-final and quarter-final matches cannot be declared null and void, because if her semi-final match can be still considered valid,
yes,
that could mean that she can contend for the bronze medal at least.
Yes.
The second thing being considered, we are told if she can be given a little extra time to shed that 100 gram weight, approximately 100 grams. To that, I think so far no positive response has been received, but we are told by government functionaries here in Delhi that the government is on it, that the entire contingent is with Fogart and trying to see what can be done.
Arunima, if you would be able to explain to us this technicality on why at all does Vinesh Fogart end up losing that silver medal as well, that she has won. She was of course being hailed as the giant slayer after having defeated Japanese Susaki. Why does that happen, considering that weighing only happened before the bout, the gold, the match where she was vying for gold, and that's when she was in fact seen to be 100 grams overweight. So why lose the medal that she had won in an earlier match?
Apparently are very simple and very straightforward, that you have to be in the weight category for 2 days on both days of your competition. So she was competing yesterday and she's supposed to compete today also. The rules are very clear.